In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create multi-level lists in Microsoft Word on both PC and Mac. Multi-level lists are useful when you need to organize information using different levels of headings, topics, and subtopics. Instead of having everything appear at the same level, you can create a structured list where main items, sub-items, and additional details are clearly organized. First, open Microsoft Word and open the document where you want to create your multi-level list. You can also create a new blank document if you want to start from scratch. To create a multi-level list, go to the Home tab on the ribbon. Look for the Paragraph section, where you'll find the Multi-Level List button. Click on it to view the available list styles. Word provides several built-in multi-level list formats. These can include numbers, letters, and combinations of different numbering styles. Choose the format that best matches the type of document you're creating. Once you've selected a style, start typing your first main item. Press Enter to create the next item at the same level. To create a sub-item, use the Increase Indent command. You can find this option in the Paragraph section of the Home tab. When you increase the indent, Word moves the item to the next level and automatically changes the numbering or lettering format based on the multi-level list style you selected. For example, your main items can use numbers such as 1, 2, and 3, while the items underneath them can use letters such as A, B, and C. You can continue increasing the indent when you need additional levels. If you move an item to the wrong level, you can use the Decrease Indent command to move it back to the previous level. This makes it easy to organize and adjust your list without manually changing the numbering. You can also create a multi-level list from existing text. Simply select the text you want to organize, go to the Home tab, click Multi-Level List, and choose a list style. Word will apply the numbering structure to the selected content. The same basic process works in Microsoft Word on both PC and Mac, although the location or appearance of some commands may vary slightly depending on your version of Word. Using multi-level lists can make long documents easier to read and navigate, especially when you're organizing topics, outlines, instructions, or sections with multiple levels of information. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,